GPT 5.4 just dropped and it changes everything. Native computer use. The model can control your browser. It can write and run code autonomously. It manages files like a real developer. 1 million token context window. Entire codebases in a single prompt. It's beating humans on 83% of professional benchmarks. So what does this mean for developers? Agents are real now. Not demos. Production ready. Your workflow changes. Describe, delegate, review. 1 million tokens means no more chunking hacks. Benchmarks matter less than what it can actually do. The competition is heating up. Everyone is shipping agents. Winners. Developers who adapt and learn agent patterns now. Losers. Developers who wait. The gap is widening fast. GPT 5.4 is here. Start building with it today.